This is vessel maneuvering and handling video notes. By the end of this chapter, hopefully you will get used to the terminologies that usually used while on board on a vessel and safety measures in navigations. There will be 7 subchapters related to vessel maneuvering, precautionary action in distress or emergency, and others. But for now, we will get on the 5th and 6th subchapter about life raft and getting on board. When a vessel is in distress, some of the action is to escape using life raft or lifeboat. The life raft can be released either manually or automatically. It is necessary for all crew to know where the life raft were placed on the vessel. To launch the life raft manually, there are some steps to follow. Step 1. Pull open the hook at the hydrostatic release to release the tie-down strap. Secure the operating cord or painter to the cleats. Make sure that the operating cord is free of tangles. Step 3. Do not remove the bands around the container. They will automatically break open when the operating cord is pulled. Step 4. With 2 or more crew members, throw the life raft in its container overboard. With the life raft and container in the water, pull on the operating cord. Leave the operating cord attached to the cleat aboard the ship. Step 7. Board the life raft as soon as possible. Remove the knife from the pocket on the canopy. Cut the operating cord to free the life raft from the sinking ship. And don't forget Step 10, to read the survival manual that are found inside the life raft. If in any case the life raft opens upside down or capsize, we should turn or righting back the life raft. To turn, grab and stand on one side over the life raft. Use wind and body weight to lift it. When it starts to flip, move away from the life raft. Sometimes, different vessel contains different types of life raft, lifeboat or any other equipment according to their needs. Some will use cranes and others may use davits to lower their lifeboats or rescue boats. If the situation becomes worse and the life raft were not able to be released in time, don't worry, the life raft is usually equipped for automatic launching. After the ship sinks into a depth of 10 to 15 feet, the hydrostatic release will automatically release and free the life raft container. The container will rise to the surface. The pull of the sinking ship will cause the container bands to part and trigger the inflation of the life raft. The life raft will be completely inflated and ready for boarding within 30 seconds. The life raft may be boarded by any of these procedures, like climbing down a ladder or by jumping into the life raft. Sometimes this is possible by climbing down a ladder, net or line until you are within 4 feet of the raft. Then it is safe to make a jump into the open entrance. Do not jump onto the roof of the raft. People inside could be injured. Or else, by entering from the sea, make sure it is clear, then make a jump into the sea and swim towards the life raft. When boarding from the sea, place your feet on the boarding ladder. Reach inside the raft and grab the internal lifeline. Pull yourself into the raft head first. If you can, stay dry when getting off a vessel. After that, quickly move away from the ship. Maybe there are people that still in the water and need rescue, and in a chaotic situation, it may also lead to some injuries. 2 people can help an injured person board an inflatable life raft. They should place their knees outboard on the top of the buoyancy tube. Turn the injured person with his back towards them. Grab the injured person's life jacket with their inboard hands. With their outboard hands, grab the injured person's upper arms and then push the injured person slightly down into the water and use his buoyancy to help them. Spring him up and over into the life raft back first. The 2 rescuers fall to either side on the raft floor. This allows the injured person to fall between them. While waiting for help, crew should post lookout and release the sea anchor. The seasickness tablet should be distributed and others can send distress signal. In heavy weather, close the life raft opening and only use small window for lookout. Crew can read the manual provided in the life raft and repair any damages. Bail out any water and sponge it to keep the floor dry. Pump air inside the raft if needed and administer aid for the needy. That's all for this subchapter. Until next time, thank you.